hanging out here at my new rec pond that Cody from River Rock Water Gardens just helped me complete.
Hey everybody, we just got back from sunny Jupiter, Florida. We were down there at Kamp Kenan with Aquascape, and a big group of CACs helping him build a recreational swim pond for his home and for his Swim With series videos that he's going to try to make more of for you guys to see. Great trip. We're obviously back not in Jupiter, Florida. It's about 30 degrees and windy here and raining. Pretty cold. Here's a video of Kamp Kenan swim pond. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you see the big reveal. So we're over here at Kamp Kenan and we just got everything wrapped up. It looks awesome. Got the wetland done, the stream bed for the kids with the land bridge, the deck we just got done building, and the water's not cleared up. It'll be cleared in about a week. It's about 30,000 gallons, so it takes a little bit to clean it all up. But I'm gonna turn this around and let you guys see everything. So here's the wetland. This whole area here, we just added a couple fountains in here, a spillway bowl, and an urn over here. Stuck some plants in there. It narrows down, makes this little fall into this little stream area. They got a small, about 1.5 to 2 foot deep little kiddie pool waiting area that his fish, he's gonna have cichlids and stuff in here. They'll come up here and be able to lay their eggs in this more shallow water. And this is a land bridge. We used a big piece of culvert under here so you can walk across. But here's the pond. Man, there's so much rock work in there. I wish you guys could see. But it's all mucky right now from getting washed off. Here's the deck we built with them. Cantilevers out over the pond. What a view for a backyard. We stuck those palm trees in there today. And it all comes over here. That spillway rock for their negative edge. That's their skimmer. Comes down, the whole pond fills up, and then overflows in here. And that smooth, thin piece of water there comes over and it pulls debris off of the top of the water, off the top of the pond, and it turns it down in here. And then the pumps pull it out of this reservoir and pump it all back up, and it just recycles. And I can't remember the flow rate we've got. It's 28,000 gallons, and it's supposed to move it completely, filter the water 10 times every day. So we got quite a bit of flow going through here. And look at that cool stump. I helped the guys pull that stump out of a burn pile. And we put it in that stream, and it looks so good. But this is actually a rain exchange system under here with the aqua blocks. It's a whole 2,000 gallons of water. Whenever it rains and his ponds and stuff start to overflow, he'll catch a bunch of water in there and help keep his water level maintained in his pond. shut this off and help them get everything cleaned up so we can get out of here, guys.
The guy made the deck. So you're a carpenter, a pond builder, an earth mover, a machine operator. I mean, you do it all, don't you?
Yeah, we do it all.
Oh my goodness. I mean, how many ponds have you built over the course of your career so far?
At least 100.
Oh my God, 100 ponds, folks. So if you're out there and you've been on the fence for a water feature, get off the fence and give these guys a call, because the amount of work, he's the strong silent type, I will say that, buddy. He really got down to business. Family man, came out here and did a fantastic job for me. Just wanted to say thanks, man. These guys do amazing work, and I look forward to passing through Oklahoma. I want to see some of your work. Or Arkansas, right?
Yeah, we're both.
Very cool. We're doing
right on
both.
the line, so.
All right, man, there you go. So if you're on either side of the state line and you want a beautiful water feature, Cody's the man to talk to.